is the small port town of Galle, located a short 10-minute drive from Unawatuna. Now, it dates back 2,000 years, but came to prominence in Golden Age under the Portuguese who fortified the town. Then it was the Dutch who came in and built almost everything that you see today. And lastly, the English who had to come in and add their own little flair. But it's just a cute little town with tons of colonial buildings, loads of restaurants, and a great way to spend an afternoon. An afternoon here was just not long enough. There were so many lovely restaurants, shops, and bars, I wanted to stop in them all. The streets are cute and colorful, and it was hard to put my phone down from taking so many photos. I recommend staying late in the afternoon to catch the beautiful sunset over Galle Bay. Our Sri Lankan cooking class in Galle was an experience I won't forget. The class began with a visit to the colorful Dutch market. So we're at the market, the Dutch market here, to pick out what we're going to put in. After learning about the local varieties of vegetables, we made our choices and headed off to our instructor's beautiful home to get started. We've just arrived to do our cooking class. It's just us two, so we're gonna get to do this kind of one-on-one experience. Went to the market, picked out our vegetables. I mean, Lord knows if they go good together. I mean, you can't go wrong because I haven't had one bad Sri Lankan dish yet. But we're just enjoying a nice cup of black tea before the cooking begins. Everything we did was from scratch, from breaking and grinding the coconuts to making fresh curry paste. It was so well done, and I learned so much. It's hard to believe we were able to make 9 different curries. Can you believe we made all this? I mean, obviously with a lot of help. But we've got prawn curry, we've got egg curry, snake bean curry, beetroot curry, okra curry, lentil dal, some fried eggplants. I'm probably missing a few others. And we made these papadans. I am going to dig in. I know it looks like a lot, but gotta do it. I have absolutely loved Galle. It is just such a cute town, going down the streets with so many cute shops, little bars, little coffee shops, endless amount of restaurants. Anyone you choose, I'm sure you can't go wrong. I highly recommend, if you're down south, definitely make a trip to Galle.